Aramtha, located in northern Jordan near the Syrian border, is a vibrant city known for its trade, universities, and cultural diversity. Hotels in Aramtha focus on comfort, affordability, and warm Jordan hospitality, making them suitable for business travelers, students, and cultural explorers. Here are the top 10 hotels in Aramtha. The first one is Ramtha Palace Hotel. Ramtha Palace Hotel is one of the city's better down accommodation, offering clean and spacious rooms at moderate prices. Guests love amenities like Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and private bathrooms. The in-house restaurant serves local Georgian meals, adding a cultural touch to the stay. Its central location makes it easy to access shops, markets, and public transport. Staff are professional and attentive, ensuring a comfortable and secure stay. The second one is Sama Ramtha Hotel Apartments. Perfect for families and long-term visitors, Sama Ramtha offers service apartments with kitchens and living areas. Guests appreciate the spacious layout and home-like comfort. The property is clean and well-maintained with staff always ready to assist with travel needs. Its quiet environment makes it ideal for those wanting privacy along with hotel-style services. It is especially popular among students and professionals visiting the universities nearby. The third one is Al Zahra Hotel Rabthak. Al Zahra Hotel provides budget-friendly stays with simple yet well-kept rooms. Facilities include Wi-Fi, private bathrooms, and air conditioning. Guests highlight the friendly staff and safe environment. Its location near restaurants and markets make it convenient for everyday needs. Affordability and warm hospitality make it a dependable choice for short stays. The fourth one is Horizon View Hotel. Horizon View Hotel offers boutique style comfort with modern interiors. Rooms are furnished with flat screen TVs, mini bars, and neat bathrooms. Guests love the calm surrounding and attentive service. A rooftop cafe serves snacks and offer panoramic views of the city. It is a good option for couples and business travelers seeking something a bit more than refined. The fifth one is Crown Inn Ramtha. Crown Inn is a mid-range property offering clean rooms with modern amenities. Guests enjoy professional service, reliable Wi-Fi, and a family-friendly environment. The hotel restaurants serve breakfast and night meal, ensuring convenience for busy travelers. Its location near the main highway make it ideal for those transiting between Ramtha and Tobit, a practical choice for both business and leisure travelers. The next one is Relax in Ramtha. As the name suggests, relaxing is a peaceful retreat offering simple but comfortable rooms. Guests enjoy affordable pricing, clean facilities, and a welcoming atmosphere. Its location away from the busy streets provides quiet surroundings. The staff are helpful, often guiding visitors with local information. It is an excellent budget option for solo travelers and backpackers. The next one is Ramtha Modern Hotel. Ramtha Modern Hotel lives up to its name with updated interior and contemporary facilities. Rooms are stylish, featuring Wi-Fi, AC, and comfortable bedding. Guests highlight its neatness and professional service. The hotel also has a small cafe serving coffee and light snacks. It's ideal for travelers who want modern comfort at reasonable rates. The next one is Al Amal Guest House. This family-run guest house provides cozy accommodation with a personal touch. Rooms are modest but clean with all essential facilities. Guests often highlight the warm hospitality and homemade meals provided by the host. Its residential setting gives it a local charm. It is best suited for cultural travelers looking for authentic Georgian experiences. The second last is Golden Key Hotel Ramtha. Golden Key Hotel offers spacious rooms with mid-range pricing, making it a popular choice among business travelers. Amenities include Wi-Fi, conference facilities, and an in-house restaurant. Guests appreciate the staff's professionalism and efficiency. Its location near city center and transport hubs at its convenience. It is a strong choice for corporate guests and local stays. The last one is Panorama Guest House Ramtha. Panorama Guest House is known for its elevated location, offering views of the city and surrounding countryside. Rooms are cozy and comfortable, equipped with basic amenities. Guests enjoy the peaceful environment and friendly service. The terrace area is a highlight, perfect for evening tea or breakfast. A charming stay for couples and families. Ajanta may not be every tourist map, but this hotel and guest houses offer affordability, comfort, and a chance to experience true Georgian hospitality. From modern hostels like Horizon U and Ramta modern to family and guest houses like every visitor can find a stay that fits their needs.